Hello viewers, today I'm going to show you how to make an Indian style of stir fry mixed vegetable, and I have ivy gourd over here which I'm pointing, and followed by the drumsticks, and I have flat beans over there, as you know, tomatoes, and this is how it all looks like. And I have potatoes, I have carrots, and I have brinjal. So it is one brinjal, half a huge carrot, and also small potatoes of 2 pieces. Thank you. To start off with, I've already heat up some oil in a pan, in a wok actually, and I'm going to add mustard seed. It's about 1 teaspoon. And as usual, I will be adding my Chana Dal and Urad Dal. Urad Dal, about 1 teaspoon. And my Chana Dal, about 1 teaspoon. As you can see, the mustard seeds are starting to crack, and I'm going to add some cumin seeds. And I'm going to saute. And followed by some dried chili. Oh no, the onions. And some curry leaves. And I'll be adding my dried chili. At this point, I'll also add my green chilies, which I've already chopped. I used 1. Here we go. And I will add some salt. So as the onions become translucent, I'll start adding in the tomato. At this point, I have 1 chopped tomato. And just to let you know, this recipe is my own, and which is invented by myself. So just to work with that, and I'll add a little bit of water just for the tomatoes to cook quickly. Add some water here. And I will let the tomatoes cook. As I cover the pan. Hello viewers, the tomatoes has already been cooked and it's like kind of mushy, and at this time I'll add the spice powders. I'm adding a little bit of turmeric powder, maybe a little bit more. I'm going to add this meat curry powder, which is also from the Babas. Approximately about a teaspoon to two, about 1.5. And give it a quick mix. And I'm going to add some Asafetida. Or Hing in Hindi. Just a little bit. That is approximately about 1/8 of a teaspoon. And now I'm going to add the hardy vegetables. So I have the potato, brinjal and cucumber. I missed out my curry leaves and I'm going to add now as well. And the flat beans. Drumsticks. And this ivy gourd. And give it a quick. As I'm mixing, I can smell the flavors, it's already coming out. And I'll just pour a little bit of water for the vegetables to cook. It's like a curry type, but it's not. So I also missed out one of the ingredients, which is also a coconut as well, and also this is chickpea, and I'm going to add this. This is 1 can of cooked chickpea, which you can get them from your grocery store. Oh, it's a huge amount of vegetables. And this goes well with chapatis, and you can see my link below on the chapatis, and it just goes very well. So I'm going to add some water for it to cook. I have approximately about 3/4 cups of water, and I'm going to add them. So let this wonderful veggie of ours come to a boil, and finally we'll add the next ingredients. At this stage I'm going to add, the vegetables are cooked, At this stage, I'm going to add some coconut. You can use dry coconut or fresh coconut, it's up to you. And give a quick mix. And I'm also going to add my tamarind juice, approximately about half a cup to 1 cup, but I'm not going to add more. And I will be mixing it well. So let it come to, let the tamarind juice evaporate. Until then, we'll just wait. So finally, I'm going to add some cilantro. And mix it up. And here we go, a lovely mixed stir-fry South Indian vegetables. So do check out my recipe and other videos. There will be more stir-fried vegetables will be coming up, South Indian vegetables or even English vegetables as well. So stay tuned with my video, and also share this video to everyone, all your friends, to ask them to try. It is also season of Lent for all Christians who are observing, who can't eat meat. This is a perfect, suitable vegetarian meals. So try, and happy cooking. See you in my next video. Goodbye.